Welcome back, guys. It's Shawn again here at Muscle Car Central, and it's Tech Tuesday. Today, we're going to talk about disc brakes, disc brake conversions, and helping you stop your car with ease. We've got a big table packed full of joy here today, and it is a lot. We're going to try to just cover some of the basics and get you headed in the right direction with your disc brake conversion. Most 67 to 9 Camaros and Firebirds, 68 to 72 Novas did not leave the factory with disc brakes. You're used to driving your Camry and your truck, and you like those disc brakes. So if you want to stay drum, we do have all those components, and we'll be glad to help you with those. But if you're thinking disc brakes, here we go. The question we get asked a lot is, what is factory disc brakes and what is disc conversion? There is a few key components that determine the look of that. Both will function just wonderfully. It's basically a looks thing. So what we got here on the corner is just a display here in the shop. It's just plain stock, original looking 69 disc brakes. You've got your brake booster, master cylinder, round metering valve, aka proportioning valve, your rectangular distribution block. That's all factory 69 looking disc brake stuff. We have a car over here that we were going to show you real quick with those components on it, just to kind of get you the gist. So here we go, guys. Stock original gold booster, master cylinder, your distribution block, and the round proportioning valve. All your lines are plumbed in there, and there is the frame bracket. As you can see, the front hard lines are coming out to the side on top of your frame. On a drum brake car, that will go all the way around and come down to those side 90-degree brackets like I was showing you earlier. We have those brackets available reproduction. These are the 69 OE brackets that we just showed you on the 69 car there. If you were a drum brake car, this is the side bracket that I was describing that would go on the side of your frame. Your front brake lines will come across the bottom of the engine and turn down to meet here with your rubber flex line. That's drum brake. So here we go. Let's talk disc brakes. Our part number BRC 700 comes with everything you will need to put disc brakes on your car. You've got firewall stuff is booster, master cylinder, and the combination proportioning valve. This little guy takes the place of the round valve and the distribution block all in one. Combination valve just saves some lines and some time from something else going wrong. So this is just what we call a combination valve. The BRC 700 has a lot of options. Standard comes with front disc brakes, drum on the back. If you're going to do four-wheel disc, we do have the four-wheel disc valve. Looks the same, but you must change it if you're going disc on the back. We also can do 9-inch boosters, 8-inch boosters. I think we still have chrome boosters if you want some bling. We do have drilled slotted rotors and powder-coated calipers if you want that. We got black, red, and I believe cast. We also have the option of a 2-inch drop spindle, and we also have a 2-inch drop spring. I don't recommend putting those two together though, unless you want to be scraping the ground. In the BRC 700, you're going to get rotors, you're going to get the spindles, you're going to get the caliper mounting brackets, the calipers with pads already in them, you're going to get the backing plates, the front rubber flex lines, bolts, hardware, an instruction sheet. Nobody wants to talk about instructions. Strongly recommend you start right here and go slow. This is not a race to get this on. This is a race to get you stopping safely. If you're on our website and you're looking at the BRC 700, you're going to see add a brake line kit. Strongly recommend that. It's a no-brainer. It's going to come with everything at the booster, everything at the firewall, all the hard lines for the front line kit. They're going to mate up with this front to rear line here at the combo valve, and it's going to be a two-piece line. Comes with a small little brass union, makes it a little easier to install. Comes with the hard lines for the rear axle, the rear rubber flex line, and even some clips and hardware. When you receive these brake lines, they're going to come in a box usually by themselves, and sometimes will be squeezed together just a little bit, and it's basically just to help the UPS man get it to your house easily. So if you got one with a fold there, you just gently roll back up. It's don't have to be gorilla strong on that. Just take your time and go slow, and I think you'll be more than happy. So you've got all your components here at the wheel. We've got a little display right here that kind of makes it a little more sense for you. You've got your dust cap, you've got your rotor, you've got your caliper mounting bracket, you've got your caliper, you've got your spindle. On the back here, you've got your steering arm, aka knuckle. Sometimes people call these captain hooks. But anyway, you don't have to change those, but you do have to have some of them. So we do have these if you don't. So this kit includes your spindle, your rotor, caliper mounting brackets, all these long bolts, and all the big 1-inch shoulder bolts. We showed you the Stocko E-Style kit on the 69 Trans Am. We thought we would show you the BRC 700 kit live in the flesh on this little Nova right here. This is a car that started out life with drum brakes on the front, and we did disc conversion, same style kit that comes in our BRC 700. This particular car, we went with the smaller booster because it has a little bit taller valve cover, a little custom look, just space clearance. Personal preference on that, you know. That is one of our options under the BRC 700 part number. It does include combination valve like we've got right here. So your hard lines in the line set will plumb correctly. Just keep in mind, if you go combination valve here, over on the side of your frame rail, you have to be brackets on the side like that right there. That way, all your hard lines will be plug and play, and you won't yell at us, and you won't complain, and you won't have to get boxes shipped back, and we'll be having more fun, right? And that's the key. We just want your disc brake conversion to go smooth. All the part numbers for these are going to be below in the description. Check out the website, Camaro Central, Firebird Central, Muscle Car Central. Let us know what you would like to see on the next Tech Tuesday. Thanks again. Shawn signing off. God bless.